Hi. If you've read any of my white papers, then you know that Oracle VM networking can be challenging. So I've put together a series of videos that step through the entire process of designing and implementing Oracle VM networking from beginning to end. To give you some perspective, the actual implementation time for an Oracle VM platform with, let's say, 2 server pools with 6 or so servers in each pool should take you a day, maybe 2 days. Now keep in mind that I'm talking about creating a solid, trouble-free platform ready for you to begin creating, installing, and configuring virtual machines. Of course, that can only happen if you've taken a week or 2 to plan and document. But you can't devise a plan unless you know what it takes to create a plan, and that's the idea behind this series of videos. They should give you an idea of the general process flow and tasks required to implement your own unique Oracle VM platform. Now just keep in mind that the videos are meant to get you started. You need to use your own experience and skills to devise a plan that fits your requirements. So, let's take a look at what I will be covering in the video series. I've divided the videos into planning and design, and then implementation. So the videos that cover planning and design, we're going to discuss the overview of design, planning, and implementation process. Then we're going to move on to understanding the business system requirements. So I've created 4 fictional business systems that we'll use throughout the video series. And then we'll move on to translating the requirements into a plan, a high-level plan. Then we'll move on to devising a VLAN configuration for the servers, devising a VLAN configuration for the guests, and then creating a worksheet. Now the worksheet is extremely important. Then we'll move on to the actual implementation. Once you have the worksheet, now you can move into actually implementing, and it goes really fast with the worksheet. So then we'll look at a network configuration on the Oracle VM Manager just to see what's there. Then we'll look at the initial network configuration on the Oracle VM servers, and this is just right after an initial install. Then we'll move on to configuring the port bonding, then creating the VNICs, creating the VLAN groups, and then we'll review network channels, because I cover that in my white papers, but I think I want to get into a little more detail on that. And then we'll move on to create Oracle VM networks. So now that you have everything in place, you can actually create the networks at this point. And then we'll move on to working with the Oracle VM guests and templates as they relate to Oracle networking. Anyway, that's the video series, and I hope that you enjoy the whole series. Thank you.